At number 2, we have the Pure two-stage juicer. The Pure two-stage juicer is undoubtedly one of the most efficient cold-press juicers I've encountered. This stainless steel juicer employs a two-stage process that maximizes juice yield and quality. In the first stage, the powerful grinder with its 8-blade cutter finely shreds produce into a pulp. The second stage utilizes a hydraulic press that applies up to 5,400 pounds of force to extract every last drop of juice from the pulp. The juicer's all-stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, with most parts being dishwasher safe. Its large pressing chamber can process up to 1 quart of juice in a single pressing, saving time when making larger batches. The offset feed chute is a thoughtful design feature that prevents messy splatter during operation. Performance-wise, the Pure juicer excels in producing high-quality, nutrient-rich juice with minimal oxidation. The cold press method preserves enzymes and nutrients, resulting in juice that stays fresh for up to 72 hours. The juicer is versatile, capable of handling a wide range of produce from leafy greens to hard vegetables and fruits. While the juicing process is more involved than with centrifugal juicers, the results are superior in terms of yield, taste, and nutritional value. The 12-year warranty demonstrates the manufacturer's confidence in the product's longevity,